Hey guys, so today we're going to make a vegan style Rasta pasta. So let's get started. This one is a good one. I can't wait for y'all to see. Alright, so the ingredients you will need is, I decided to use the twin pasta. It's called a twin pasta because I wanted it to be like, cute and pretty considering it's not that many ingredients, and I wanted it to have like a distinct color, flavor, texture, so I went with that pasta. You also need some red and green peppers, a red onion. You can use yellow peppers. I also have 4 garlic cloves chopped. I have scallions. I have fresh thyme. I'm going to take those off the leaves and put them right down in the same bowl with the onions and stuff. And we're going to use coconut milk. So over here you have my station set up. I have all my ingredients. I'm going to use some coconut oil. Alright, you're pretty much going to cook the vegetables down for about 5 minutes or so. You want to add salt and pepper. Don't cook them down too much. You're also going to season this up with my spicy girl. Mix this up and cook it about 4 to 5 minutes. You want your vegetables to still have a nice crisp to them in color. Add your coconut milk down. At this point, I have my stove on medium-high heat, and I'm only going to simmer this for 2 minutes just to reduce it. The pasta is going to absorb all that beautiful liquid. I can't even tell y'all how good this smells in the house. Look how creamy that is. There's no dairy and no cheese, no nothing. So yeah, let's taste this and I'll tell you guys what I think. Alright, y'all, look how beautiful this is. Like, I had to talk on this clip because y'all, there's literally no cheese in here. That's an onion, so don't start. But look how thick this got. Like, seriously? I'm wasting it. Let me try it. Mmm. Oh my god. I don't miss the cheese. Mm-mm. Y'all, this is delicious. This is so delicious. Mmm. Mmm.